Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will make this awesome illustration from a basic sketch. Let's get started. We will be completely working in Illustrator. The sketch is just a basic idea in my mind to see how the final result will look like. If you're good at drawing, then of course you can just trace the sketch and make an illustration out of it. But my drawing is we better work in Illustrator. I will also explain the steps to help you follow along with the tutorial. Make sure to keep an eye on the tool tips I shared at the bottom of this video. Create a new document by pressing Ctrl N. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels and hit create. Go to File, Place. Locate the sketch and hit place. Go to Windows, Layers. Paste sketch on bottom layer. Lock the sketch layer by pressing next to I. Create a new layer. Then on new layer, take the pen tool or curvature tool. Make sure only the stroke is selected, disable fill. I'll change the stroke color to red so you can see. Change stroke size to 2 points. Set style to round cap. Let's trace the sketch with pen tool. You can use combination of these shapes with pen tool to help you create precise objects. Let me show you how. A quick side note. This is the tutorial series where we will learn to create modern and detailed illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. If it interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload. Now the sketch is done. Let's add some colors. Before that, use Google or Adobe Color to get your color palette. After I imported the color palette, with shape selected, click on the color with eyedropper tool. It will add color to the required shape. Using an eyedropper, I will add color to the whole artwork. Now let's add stroke to the illustration. Drag over the whole shape and with direct selection tool, hold Alt and drag to create a copy. With each shape selected, I will swap fill to stroke by pressing this arrow. And change its color to dark shaded color. With the stroke selected, I will change its size accordingly. Change its style to round cap and round corners. And place it on the top of artwork. Now let's add some highlights and shadows. For this, first we need to identify the light source and its direction. In this illustration, I assume that light is coming from the left side. To create a highlight, I will create a shape accordingly. Give it a lighter tone of the same color and send it between stroke and shape by right click, arrange, send to backward, or note down this shortcut. Press it bunch of time until it's behind the stroke. For shadows, it's a similar process. This time I will just create the dark shady tones of the same color. The purpose of this tutorial is just to teach you how to work in Illustrator. You can definitely follow along to learn, but I suggest after watching my video, try to create your own projects. It will help you a lot to learn. And if you do, post them to Instagram and tag me. I will definitely respond to you. And also consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. Use the direct selection tool to fix any distorted shapes and correct them. Now finally let's add some nice background to it. This is the final result. So this is how you create this awesome illustration. If you want to learn Illustrator and quickly get a hands-on experience, I have the exact tutorials for you. You can learn Illustrator in just 20 minutes. Check the description of this video. If you have some questions, you can ask them in the comment section, or you can ask them to my Instagram page. I'll be uploading more Illustrator tips and tricks and tutorials. In the next uploads, we will create more modern and detailed illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. If this interests you, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I upload. Make sure to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video among your friends. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I will see you in my next one. Take care.